Hi, I'm Alia. So today I want to explain to you how to correctly pronounce the letter V based on where it is in the word. So if it's the first letter of the word, if it's in the middle of the word, or if it's the last letter of the word. So let's just start. If it's the first letter in the word and it's followed by a vowel or the letter R, so R, you pronounce it as V. So a few examples. Va bilo, va bilo. Okay, an invitation. Vagon, vagon, a wagon. Vrabec, vrabec, a sparrow. Okay, vrata, a door. Vrata. Okay, but if the V is followed by a consonant, you pronounce it as U. Okay, so for example, uzorec, a sample. Uzorec, it actually means sample. So even though it's written vzorec, you pronounce it as uzorec. Okay, and if the V is in the middle of the word and it is between two vowels, so let's say the word sova, the owl, you pronounce it as V. So sova, an owl. Sova. Okay, but also if the V has a consonant before it, but still the vowel is behind, so let's say svadba, a wedding, svadba, then again you pronounce it as V. So svadba, svadba, sova, sova. But if the V is followed with a consonant and has either a consonant or a vowel before it, you pronounce it as U. Okay, so a few examples would be ceuli, ceuli, shoes, ceuli. But you should keep in mind, if you say cevel, so just one shoe, cevel, as you can see, the V is between two vowels, right? So like we said before, ceuli, right? You say U. Cevel, it's V, right? Because it's between two vowels, but ceuli has a vowel before it and a consonant after it. That is why you pronounce it as U. So ceuli, cevel, okay, one shoe, cevel, ceuli, and then pousot, everywhere, pousot, right? Pretsum, especially, pretsum, okay? And then if the V is at the end of the word, so for example, pau, peacock, pau, again you write it P-A-V, but you pronounce it as U, so pau. Or cirkel, a church, cirkel. V is at the end, right? But you say cirkel. Okay, so that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys next time. So, bye!